Hi, so in this video, really quickly, I want to talk about some diphthongs. So, a diphthong is when you have two vowels right next to each other and they go kind of smushed together to make one sound. So you have O and E. Sometimes in English, in modern English, we'll have oi. Actually, let me put a name up here just in case the thumbnail needs it, essentially. um, So oi, these are kind of smushed together. So if, for example, in modern English, we have the word boy that uses that diphthong. In Old English, we're going to concentrate mainly on two diphthongs, EO, and then we also have EA. And this is how they're written. They're actually pronounced kind of in unintuitive ways, often. This AO can be pronounced EO. So that's pretty simple, just sort of saying the two vowels fast together. We're going to be pronounced sort of A, E, and then we're going to use this sort of IPA notation here, EO, like almost a U sound. EA can be pronounced quite differently. It can have this ash, ah, so it's more like ah. And so this is actually quite different, in my opinion, from how it's written, because ea is not really the same as ao. Plus, we're kind of used to, in modern English, pronouncing this as e, as in like read. But the important thing to remember about diphthongs is actually not necessarily so much their pronunciation, but that they're one syllable. So this is not this is eo. So if you saw a word that began with this would be one syllable, wouldn't be two. And the same here, a would be ow, just pronounced smoothly in one syllable. So that's really the important thing to remember about diphthongs.